Right.
You're rude.
So, we have the cheesy BB tostadas, but I also wanted to add we are doing dry January, and we've decided to try other things that are like
Non-alcoholic.
non-alcoholic.
Learning.
Those are tacos, are hard shell tacos. They are tostadas. That's that first crunch.
You know, this would have been nice with some jasmine rice. I should have got you a rice cooker.
Mm-hmm. You should have got me a rice cooker. I've been wanting one too.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Why haven't you voiced that to me?
I feel like I have.
I feel like you haven't. But this is good.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm fucking with it.
I haven't tried mine yet. Surprisingly, that shell is pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a big ass chip.
Totally. And then this mayonnaise-based sauce.
It's not mayonnaise. It's sour cream.
Sour cream-based sauce is pretty legit.
I think it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I've kind of been trying some of the meals from a bunch of different food services because I want to see which one's the best for me, my schedule, taste wise, what kind of stuff they do to help me prep. But I've been grading kind of the taste more so because I can always go out to eat, but cooking is better. So in terms of taste, we just had we had a chicken parmesan, something crested parmesan, which was pretty good. And then this is the cheesy beef. This is what they started us off on, Hello Fresh.
Yeah, their company's not bad. The food is pretty good.
But if you were to rate the chicken parmesan and this, who's the winner? And what would you rate it at a scale of 1 to 5?
Well, I'm gonna go with the
best.
chicken parmesan because that's my favorite. So I already have a bias for it. But I'd rate this on a scale from 1 to 5, a solid 4.6.
It's actually a really good scale.
I don't screw around when it comes to scales and rankings.
I mean, like I said, I think one of the big selling points for me is the crunch in this dang tostada. I just had no clue it was gonna be so good.
Well, eating wise, there's a good balance in the things that you want.
True.
Which
Because it has that
includes
fresh onion taste. I
the
love
crunch, the meat, the texture of the meat, the fruits on top, and then even when you add the lime juice, that fresh squeeze.
Fresh squeezed lime juice.
You know?
So we have the Titula organic tea soda. We're using this instead of alcohol or beer. So cheers to us in our dry January. It is ethically sourced. It's refreshing and delicious, it says. So we'll see about that. And this is the mint tea with hibiscus lemonade. It's naturally caffeine free.
Why'd you drink it like that? What are your thoughts?
It kind of tastes like carbonated water.
You stupid. I think it's actually pretty good.
Maybe I didn't let it get my whole tongue. So when you taste
You
stuff,
did.
you gotta like
Make sure to
wish
get all
it
of
around.
those.
Yeah, on the tip of my tongue, it tastes like carbonated water.
Right.
But when I go a little bit more, it does have a sweet taste.
Tastes like tea. Tastes like carbonated tea.
It does taste like carbonated tea with some sweetener.
Right, with some sweetener, but not too sweet.
Yeah, and not like an unnatural sweet.
Right.
Yeah, because that unnatural sweet taste, not the bomb. So yeah, I would drink this again.